The notion that true strength lies not in power, but in restraint, is a concept that challenges many common beliefs, and it is a central theme in The Path of Daggers by Robert Jordan. This book will make you question everything you thought you knew about leadership and the nature of power. You absolutely need to experience this book to gain a deeper understanding of the world and your place in it. The Path of Daggers is the 8th book in Robert Jordan's epic Wheel of Time series, and it is a masterclass in storytelling and world building. And the best part, you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. Robert Jordan's writing is a testament to the power of imagination and the importance of perseverance. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is that true growth often requires us to confront our deepest fears and insecurities. For example, consider a time when you had to face a difficult challenge, and how you emerged stronger on the other side. This book will show you how to apply that same principle to your own life, and how to find the courage to keep moving forward even when the path ahead is uncertain. As you delve deeper into the book, you will also learn about the importance of loyalty and friendship in the face of adversity. The bonds that tie us to others are what give our lives meaning and purpose, and this book will show you how to nurture and strengthen those bonds. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. The book also explores the nature of good and evil, and how these concepts are often not as clear-cut as we might think. This insight will challenge you to think more critically about the world around you, and to question your own assumptions and biases. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life.